Hey, TJ Rose with MarineMax here. Today we're on board a recent trade. This is a 2017 Galeon 420 fly. Great boat. MarineMax is the exclusive dealer here in the US for Galeon yachts. This in particular boat was sold new from us. Recently traded, the owner decided to upgrade. So this one is available for sale now to you on the pre-owned market. So 42 is a great boat. It's got a lot of fantastic features to it. We'll kind of take a walk through the boat here, starting on the swim platform. This is a hydraulic swim platform, so you can carry your tender, carry your jet ski with you wherever you want to go cruise to. It's got a nice large open cockpit layout. This seat in particular has opened up from the salon, so it does fold back in so that these doors can close up, but you can see we've got a nice continuous flow through the cockpit and through the salon of the boat. We'll go up to the bridge later, but these are the bridge steps. Notice this is a nice fully fiberglass molded fiberglass steps up to the bridge, not a ladder that you'll see on a lot of other competitors. So it's very safe to get up there, very wide steps, nice and easy to to move throughout the boat. As we go into the salon, it does have an upgraded teak and holly floor on it. There is also carpet that can cover this, so if you want to keep the floor looking nice, you can put the carpet over it. As we talked about, the seat does slide in here, so it becomes a nice C-shaped seating here in the cockpit. Of course, you've got your air conditioner and heating system on board here. This has 2 units just for this particular area, so you'll notice there is a good amount of glass, which does generate a lot of heat, but the 2 air units on board do keep up with it very nicely. Also gives you great visibility if you're at the dock, if you're out anchored. Take a step up here, and we go to the galley. So nice size sink, got a trash can, got a nice size refrigerator here, as well as a drawer style refrigerator that pulls out for your drinks. Of course, microwave, stove top. And then one thing that's great about the Galeons is that it's a 2-helm boat. So we've got a nice lower helm here. It's got complete electronics package, Raymarine GPS, Raymarine autopilot. This boat does have a bow thruster on it, so it makes docking a breeze. This boat has the Volvo D6 motors in it, inboard motors. It's going to be 435 horsepower per engine. We've got our digital throttle and shift there, and then we've got our Volvo Penta display system and also a Fusion stereo remote here as well. We'll have identical equipment up on the bridge. As far as wood packages go, Galeon does wood. That is one of their trademarks. Is the craftsmanship that goes into these boats is just incredible. This particular boat happens to have the walnut matte finish on it. It's very beautiful, as you can see. It's all custom fit to the boat, and they've just done a really exceptional job with putting it all together and making the boat look great. We'll take a couple steps down. We'll go to a 3 stateroom layout down here. So we've got the forward stateroom, which would be considered really the master of the boat here in the VIP. It does have a private head, which is located here. One thing to note is the doors. I'll just kind of open the door up here. So solid wood door. Take a look at the paneling on it. Just again, it talks about the craftsmanship and the woodwork on these particular boats. If you come on in here, this is a full-size head in here with a full-size shower, nice vanity to it, and is really perfect for for staying on the boat over the weekend or doing some long extended trips. As we move back out, we do have a second head here for the other 2 cabins. We've got a twin bunk stateroom here. We've got another head here that these 2 cabins would share. Nice hanging locker. Of course, this is